Hello guys, welcome to Motion Tutor, and in this short tutorial I'm gonna be teach you how you can add YouTube page animation on your video inside of Premiere Pro without using any third-party things. It's gonna be 100% free and 100% Premiere Pro. So I will give you some files link in description, so you can go to the link and download the files first. And if you're interested to learn how I create this animation, so I will also put the tutorial link in description where I created the animation inside of After Effects, so you will get the tutorial link in description as well. So here I am in my Premiere Pro sequence. So like I done my editing, now I want to render the file, but before rendering I want to add the animation on it. So how you can add the animation? First of all, when you done editing, come to your sequence and press Ctrl+A to select all files like your logo, your footage, your sound effects, everything, literally everything, and right click and you can select the nest and nest it. And then you can go to window and click on this essential graphics. And here if you are using the older version of the Premiere Pro, so then you don't see the add button, so you want to like add the mogrt file manually inside of Premiere Pro. So you will get the tutorial on YouTube, so you can just search how to add mogrt in Premiere Pro, so like in older version. But if you are using the newer version, so you will get the button here, so you can click on that to install the mogrt file and drag this mogrt file in your sequence. And then go to effects, and here you can search for ultra key effect and drag it on this mogrt file, and go to effects control and select the green color, and then it will be remove the color. And now you can put this on third layer, and then you can go to project panel, and here you can create a adjustment layer which will be 920 by 1080, and the frame rate will be according to your sequence. And then click OK, and then you can drag it in your scene, in your composition, and then you can enlarge it for like make it 10 seconds long. And then you can go to effects, and here right click on this preset folder, and you can click on import preset, and you can select the second file which is the preset, and then you can add it. And then you can go to this preset folder, and then you can see the YouTube page animation preset, and you can drag it on this adjustment layer. So now it's ready. And then you can select the mogrt file and go to essential graphics panel, and here you can change the channel title. So like you can change the channel title, and the font is Roboto font, and I will put the font link in description as well, so you can download and install the font. Otherwise like the font will be, if the font will be different, so it will be looks not good. So I will highly recommend you to install the same font for more cool and more precise, not precise, perfect effect. But the one thing which you can't change here, the logo DP, you can't add logo DP in Premiere Pro. So if you want to add logo DP here, so you want to go to in your like After Effects, and then you want to re-export the mogrt file from After Effects. So but if you don't have the After Effects, so I will put the like the color control here, so you can select a solid color for like your logo DP. But if you have After Effects, so I also give you the After Effects project file, so you can download the like open the After Effects project, and then you can go to this logo pic comp, and here you can drag your logo picture which you want to add, logo picture or channel DP which you want to add in your video. So you can adjust the size according to your size of your logo, and then you can go to the window and click on this essential graphics and select the animation 1 composition here, and then you can click on export motion graphics template, and then it will be exported where you want. And then you can open this in your Premiere Pro, and you can use it in your every video. So guys, that's it. It's very simple way to like edit and use it in your videos. So guys, I hope it will be helpful for you, and if you like interested to learn how I made this animation, so I will also put the tutorial link in description. And if you don't understand anything, and if you have any question in mind, so feel free to ask in comment section. I will reply to everyone. And if you want to learn some custom animation, something which you don't understand, you want to learn, so you can tell me in comment section. I will make tutorials on your request. So guys, thank you so much for watching, and that's it for today, and I will be catching you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.